Welcome friends, I am Urmila Durgude. So in previous periods, we learned about some practicals, basic concepts of drawing also. So in this period, we go through this book, Self-Development and Art Appreciation for Standard 9. So friends, in this book, self-development, the name is self-development, means what? You have to develop yourself in many aspects. First of all, you have to understand yourself. So find out your own interest first. Who are you? In which things you want to take interest? So develop them. Think about them. Do something about them. Collect related things about them. Work on them. So this is your own identity, your style of creation. So who you are. This book refers you to identify yourself. What is the use of you for the society, for yourself also. So you have to find out your own perfect identity, which is useful to you, your family, the people around you, and the whole society. So you are also an artist of this world. You are not a common man. So identify yourself, build up your confidence. That is the identity we have to learn in this lesson. And as we go to the next lesson, here, grown up things. When as you grown up, big and crosses the next standard levels, your thinking also build up. So build up your thinking in this way that you are appreciated by all of the people around you. So nobody hates you. Remember, in simple words, nobody hates you. Just love you, everybody too. So that is the way to live, to do all the things in our life. So when we learn about art, art always give you, support you, a best thinking, a lovable sight, creative mind. All the positive things develops because of the art. So art is a very important subject in our life. So in the second stage, in the second lesson, you learn how to behave, how to think, how to do all the things as you grow up. So build up confidence, develop all the things. And in the next lesson, you will see the importance of values. So value is what? In Marathi we call it kimat. Means a precious thing, a useful thing. It's called a value. So give importance each and everything what you do. A simple thing, from a simple thing to up to the important thing, give importance. Means do all the things with loving care, in a proper manner, in a proper technique. That is the value of that particular act. Understand what I am meant to say you? So give values all the things around us, around you. That is included the nature, all things you wear, your clothes, all the things, ornaments, all the things, your pen, pencil, bags, shoes, whatever that will be. Give importance. Take their care. That is the value. Some people are around you, like your parents, your brothers, sisters. So give them also important. Value them. Value others, always teach you to develop you as a nice person, as a nice citizen, and that is very useful to every country for this world only. So be a nice person. You have to do such many things. First of all, learn to give importance to each and everything, value them, understand their importance, care for them, and whatever you want to do, but lovingly do the acts. Understand? Now, the next lessons are related to your some kind of qualities, we say qualities that are like leadership. So as you grown up, you want to express your feelings, so you want to say something, so without listening, or not only listening, you want to express, you want to show your feelings to others also. You want to show your confidence. You want to take a part in every activity, discussion, then any talking. You want to show your presence there. This is the time of period when you grown up well. So that time, for your better thinking, for your better acting, and for your better future, you have to develop your confidence, build up your right way of thinking, right way of acting, and show a right way to interact the other peoples in the society. So when you interact with other peoples, like your friend or your parents, mother, father, sisters, and other people around you, even animals also included in that. When you interact with them, always with love and care only, because this is the two very main, I say, main qualities of human being. And with these qualities, every pupil become as a perfect and lovable, nice person, which is useful to others. So always being useful to others. So the wastage, always waste things we hate. Natural thing it is, no? You know that. So we hate wastage throughout, out of the house, always, daily. It is like a garbage. So don't do like this. Always give value to others, they automatically value you. That is what we have to learn in self-confidence in this book, in this standard. So friends, always react nicely with others. If anything is badly happened with you, if you are a victim by other persons or any other incident, don't ignore it, I say, but think about it, how it's happened, and think about yourself first. Don't judge others. Judge others afterwards. So judge you only first. That is very important for a settled, better, and well life. So always life is happy. That is important. It is not full of wealth, health, and all other things. First of all, it is full of joy and happiness. That is the better life. So understand what is better life first. So in our life, enjoy, happiness are the important things, valuable things to each and every creature in the world. So friends, all these things I just told you All these things happened only and only because of art. Because of only art. So how? You confused? How? So very simple it is. Just explain you. First of all, understand what is art. What is art? So any guess? What is art? So art means our own inner creation, acting, in the form of visual arts or performing arts. There are two types of arts. Visual art and performing art are two types of art. Art means what? Just I tell you. Art means our inner expression, that we want to express our thoughts, to convey our thoughts, our feelings to others with the help of these two types. That's art only. It is of two types. Visual, the spelling is wrong, I think. Okay, that's right now. So visual means to visualize anything. Visualize means to see, the sight. Sight, that is vision. The art which we see, which we enjoy with our sight, is included in visual art, like paintings or many arts types there. Just we say, wait, I read which type of arts are visual arts. Drawing, painting, sculptures, print makings, all these are types of visual arts. We can see easily with our sight. So this is visual art. Simple meaning. And performing. Performs means it is important to presence there. Your presence is important in this art. So how we express our emotions, acting, that is performing. So you have to present on that stage. Then it may be singing, dancing, or what is that? Illusion, mime, puppetry. Puppetry means Kathakali. So act that dolls and create a story. So these are all acting arts. So you have to present there. You have to show your presence there. That is performing art. And only simply by seeing we enjoy the art. That is included in visual type. So we have here two types of arts. So let's come to the previous point. In art only. So what is the importance of art in our life? This is much important. So concept is important because why art is useful to our life. Understand this first, and how to develop art in you. Understand this first. Afterwards, we study this art. So let's come to the previous one again. We know what is art and the types of art. So what is the importance of art in our life? So let's think about this point. See all around you. What will you see there? You will see different types around you, different types of peoples. They wears different types of clothes, their styles, their hairstyles, dressing style, their makeup style, their walking style, their talking style. Each and everything is stylish only. The whole world is very creative, nice and good, interesting, lovable, whatever. Everywhere we see pretty and beauty things. So, guys, see, we have to find out all the beauty in the nature around you. So let's see a little example. Leaves. I am watching through the window. Some leaves are seen there. A tree is there. So let's talk about leaves. So friends, collect different types of leaves or keep them in a line and think about them. How they looks like. How they look. Each and every leaf looks different from each other. Every leaf, whether it is small or whether it is very big one, it has its own shape. It has its own color. It has its own smell also. So think about it. Simply, but different forms, different shapes, different colors, different smells. So think about the nature. So nature is a main creator of the beauty in this world. So don't neglect it. Always go near to it. Always watch it keenly. Love the nature. Love all each and everything. Maybe soil, stones, water, clouds. All things are looking different. Okay? Let's take another element of nature, clouds. So watch clouds. Sit anywhere calmly and watch the clouds only. What will you see? You see there different forms are created by the clouds. Or you can imagine different forms there. And the scene is very appealing, nice and attractive. Gets you very happy. So nature is a very big artist. So learn from it first. Slowly you love art. And the next step is you want to create your own art. And your guide is the nature. Understand? So take one more natural element, stones. So take stones. Try to color them. Try to find out different shapes in them. Or you can create shapes on them with the coloring, your own creating. You can arrange them creatively. You can use one stone, many stones. You can carve them also. So in this way, one visual art, we can see carving art, sculpture. You take your soaps, anything, chalks, and carve them with a simple forms, flowers or leaves, simple forms only. Use that. So open your mind. Open your own creations out. Feel free to you and enjoy it. So art is very important. As the man developed in this world, means when the first man comes, as he comes, the art comes. The art is not different from a man. Always remember. Where there is a man, there is art. Why? Because each and every man means person, I mean to say, each and every person is an artist only. So find an artist in you That is what this book trying to learn you. So understand it well. Find out your inner own artist, often through the world, but with loving care and good performance needed for this world. So don't do the bad things. So from this lecture, try to think nicely. Think about yourself in a day. List all the things what you do in whole day. Which things you do. So step by step, think one by one. So how you interact with this particular person, badly, wrongly, angrily or lovingly. So think about it. Just it is necessary to give an answer loudly? No. So you spoil the atmosphere. So how you create a happy atmosphere? With the help of art only. So start from you. Start from you. Give a proper shape to your comb your hairs properly. Set them well. Oil them. Or wash your face nicely. Wear neat and clean dress and stand in front of the mirror and watch you. A smile, see a smile in your face, and others seeing you, they are also smiling. So happiness is an important thing in our life, and how we create happiness using the art only. So art is an essential part of our life, like the breathing. We can say it is a vital part. Vital means in Marathi essential. Oh, sorry. In English it essential, and in Marathi we can say it as मूलभूत गरजेच्या गोष्टी. So it is a vital part, like a breathing. We have to breathe continuously to keep us alive. Like that, we have to work out art to keep us happy and the related people also. So we are living in a particular society. We are human beings. We have a creative mind. We have much more feelings. We have clear body parts also. So why? Why we interact others badly? So think about it. List out the things. Work on it. Go near to the nature. Always watch small and smaller things of nature. Love it. Care it. And try to follow it. So nature is a great teacher of all of us. Definitely. So think about it. This particular lesson try to teach all these things just I explain you. Now come to the visual art. Here, visual art is depend upon 5 important elements. Which are they? We already learned them in previous classes, but just regain them, recite them. Okay. Friends, the first main important element of visual art is a line. And you know, different types of lines are there. Straight lines, horizontal lines, standing lines, curly lines, or moving lines, waving lines, circular lines, spreading lines, this type Gothic lines, etc. etc. Many types of lines are there. So we can create our own line also. No problem, it's our own creation. So friends, many types of lines are there. So you have to use line patterns and create a masterpiece, a good art. So using lines we can create a masterpiece. So it is depend on your own creation. So line is an important element in visual art. And the next one, we can say shape. So by identifying shape or by seeing shape, we can identify the things. It is this particular thing. This one is that particular thing. How we can understand it? This is a square shaped mobile. This is a rectangle shaped mobile. This is the whatever it be. So we describe the things with the help of shape. We can identify the things with the help of shape. We can show them with the help of shapes in visual arts. So remember, shape is very important. Shapes are generally of 4 types, but you have to remember only 3 types here. Geometric shapes, natural shapes, and abstract. So geometric shapes, many shapes are there, but the major 3 shapes are important. And which are they? Circle, square and triangle. Circle, square and triangle. These are the main geometric shapes, remember, and other shapes are dependent on it. Now come to the natural shapes. So you know that out. So what is natural shapes? Leaves, trees, we people. Our shape is natural. We cannot make this. The nature made this. So it is the natural shape. So we people, so I am not mentioning. Remember it only. Trees, flowers, leaves, hills, many things, and we people. So, and the remaining one, abstract. So abstract shapes means what? Abstract shapes are created by our own creativity using these 2 shapes. We can convert geometric shapes into abstract shape, and we can convert natural shapes into abstract shape. So these are like icons, symbols. Because we create them. These are natural and these are geometric. Have some particular characteristics, and here symbols totally we made, icons totally we made with our creation. So only with the help of these basic forms. So abstract. So remember these decorative shapes are also there, but you have to remember these 3 main shapes. Okay. Using these shapes, we can create a nice masterpiece. Number 3, colors. interesting part in the art. Colors. So just imagine there is no colors. Whole the world is only black and white. So just imagine how it feels. Not so good, no? Not so good. Very bad. Without colors, we cannot enjoy the things. In this way, we can understand its value. It's important. So value the colors. We always give preference to choose colors. Means when we choose a dress for you, a top, shirt, anything, we see many colors and choices one particular color. Understand? So colors are an effective part in our life. Without color, we cannot enjoy. So color means simply happiness. So colors means what? Clear happiness it is. Clear joy. So without colors, we cannot survive. So give importance to them. So before we understand which are the primary, secondary, tertiary and what is the color wheel, before done that, so let's think about the colors in the nature. Where you find very different colors in the nature. So collect different leaves, collect different stones, or collect different fruits, flowers, anything natural having different colors. Collect them, arrange them like a wheel. Keep them, set them like a wheel, and watch, observe them carefully. What do you see there? You see there some colors are nearer to the other colors, depends on the other colors. Some colors opposite to each other. Some colors looks nice, some colors feels fear in you, or some colors gives you a clear happiness. So colors also have their different qualities. Colors also have their different qualities. Means they have their own value. In this way, each and everything has value. You have to learn this value word in the lesson number 2nd. So we are discussing here unit 5 now, because visual art is given in the unit 5, and self-confidence, self-development, growing up, or social interaction, your own responsibilities, value other things, your identification, all these things are given in the 4 unit. We will discuss this about afterwards. I want that understand the art and it's important in your life only first. After that we will go through that lessons. Okay, so come to this point again. What is colors? So colors are an important element of visual art. They are of different kinds. Main 3 colors are natural. We call them primary colors. And which are they? They are yellow, blue and red. Yellow, blue and red. We cannot create them. They created not by combining any other 2 or 3 colors. They are natural. So primary. And we have secondary colors also. In the color wheel, we have secondary colors also. And that secondary colors we find by combining these 2 primary colors. Y plus B, B plus R, or Y plus R. In this way, we have secondary colors. And when we combine one primary and one secondary color, we get a tertiary color. So we learned it already in the previous standards. So don't discuss, I don't think to discuss about it deeply. We have to discuss about visual arts only. So there is no word without colors. So value always colors. Now come to the next element of visual art. And it is light and shadows. Lights and shadows. So without light we cannot see anything. So lights are light, only simply talk about it. Light is also an important element of visual art. Without light we cannot observe anything. So consider a pot here. See this pot. When the light comes from this direction, we get a highlight here or reflection like here, and all this part is darkness, then middle light and light part only. These three steps when we use in our drawing, then we mold that pot properly. We can show this two-dimensional thing to feel like a three-dimension. So light is useful to find out shadows. So without light we cannot consider shadows. So these two concepts are depending on each other. When we get light, we find shadows, and where there is shadow, there is light. So vice versa. So this is a shadow. In this way, light and shadow have their own importance, have their own values in our visual art. Now come to the next and the last element, textures. Textures. So using textures. These textures refers the skin of that particular object. We can feel how the skin is, whether it is smooth, whether it is rough, or whether it is shiny, matte. All these things we can consider by touching flowers, by touching planes. We can understand the texture of that particular object. Now look at this picture. If this is smooth, we show this smooth. When we add texture on it, we can attract that part of that object. So textures are useful to attract that particular part of in that picture, or we can neglect also. We can attract, we can neglect also, we can feel its skin also. So textures plays different roles in our visual art. So it has its own value also. So texture could be captured by our artwork. So to make a masterpiece, to make a mind-blowing picture, we have to use these 5 elements, interacting each other nicely, balancing each other nicely, and the vision, our sight, when we give that sight satisfaction, happiness, it is a masterpiece, and you are a great artist. Feel like that. To try to develop your own art. collect stones. So start to collect leaf stones, color them well and adjust them well. In this way, start your art in your life. So more and more art in you, more and more development in you as a nice human being. So be a nice man, be a nice person, useful person. So each and everything loves you. Simply think in your mind. So for that you have to love art, and for that you have to love first the nature, value the nature first, identify you and express your own feelings with the help of art. So guys, in this way, in this lesson we stop here. In the next lesson we create any picture like a still life using these 5 elements. So till then, goodbye and good day.